This is Joe Hill from Done Right Management. I'm in Fairway Lodge, 805 Fairway Drive. A fantastic vacation rental property. I am in the living room, and we are going to do a quick video tutorial. Now, this specific television, it's an LG remote, and we have a Blu-ray as well as a Wii here. And just to kind of give you the lowdown, right here on the input section, you have HDMI 2, which is the Blu-ray that's set up. It's on HDMI 2. And then you have HDMI 1, which is going to be cable. And then when we transition over to the AV, come on. That's going to activate the Wii. And the nice thing about the Blu-ray, that happens to be smart enabled. And so as you transition over and hit OK, you can actually utilize the controls with the Sony Blu-ray controls. And so you have Netflix, Prime, all these other different options. If you need to, you might actually end up having to put the wireless information in, the password. So if it's not connecting, you'd have to go to the network, go to the setup, and then add, and then find the Fairway Lodge guest, and then connect with Richard Marie as far as the Wi-Fi password. So if you have any further questions and you need assistance in any way, you can go ahead and give us a call in the office. The landline phone number there, it's 208-634-0030. And we certainly hope you guys are having a fantastic time in McCall, doing whatever you're doing.